Hey, promise, come back here. Come back here. Where are you going to?
Uncle, today is May 27, Children's Day.
27 Guinea. Will you go back inside the house and change your clothes now?
Uncle, I'm not going anywhere. Other children are there enjoying themselves, and you want me to go inside and go and suffer?
Is it in your father's house or your uncle's house?
Uncle, whether it's my father's house or not, I'm not going anywhere.
You are not going to anywhere. Oh yeah, go inside the house now.
Uncle, I'm not going anywhere. Hey!
Oh, Jesus! Lord of Jesus. Brother, you have useless brain. Your brain is useless.
Sorry.
Jesus!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. I want to kill that small rat.
Listen, don't run. Smoking don't run. Don't meet me here.
Can you
That's
imagine?
mine.
Sorry,
You want to be you want knock my head.
I want to kill that small rat.
Wait, is this your uncle?
Not you.
Yes, as you are now, you are bigger than him. Beat him, kill him, let me rest.
He's useless.
Promise.
Come on. Jesus!